Hey, I'm Steve, and I want to show you an amazing axe throwing game that I got instantly addicted to. Axe throwing has really grown in popularity recently, and as a matter of fact, in my hometown, they opened an axe throwing place. Now, this game allows people of all ages, really young to really old, to enjoy this game. I've been giving you some close-ups of the board and the little tomahawks. Installation only takes a few minutes. You just pop some things together and you're ready to play. This is how the little tomahawks stick to the board, and they stick amazingly well. Let's have some fun now and throw some tomahawks. I'm probably 20-25 feet away right here. You can get as close as you want, or you can back up as far as you want. I gave this as a Christmas present, and at one point in time the whole family was outside playing this game. It's really fun and addicting. It collapses and folds up to make storage super easy. Doesn't take up much room at all. This is good for any age. If you can throw, you can play, period. I like it. I think you'll love this axe throwing game. So if you're looking at this, I hope you found my video helpful.